Hi, I'm Sune, and I'm a food geek. A bit less than 2 years ago, I started this channel as a supplement to my food blog. I was always the food geek, and I thought it appropriate to call my blog just that. So it only made sense to call my YouTube channel the same. The channel grew steadily, and already after 3 months, I had around 1,000 subscribers. In November that year, about 7 months after my first video, the YouTube algorithm picked up my video about scoring sourdough bread. This was also the time I started doing lots of sourdough experiments. The pace picked up, and by the time my channel was about 1 year old, my channel had grown to 18,000 subscribers. I was stoked and amazed. This was crazy, I thought. So then COVID hit, and everybody was staying at home, wanting something to do. I guess everybody wanted to do something food related, because who doesn't like eating? So sourdough became a trending topic, and the channel grew 25,000 subscribers in April and 21,000 subscribers in May. The growth has been steady since, although it slowed as people got to go outside again. That seemed natural. Recently, the channel passed 100,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone. And today, this arrived. I guess we all know what it is, but I haven't opened it yet, and I thought I would do it on camera. So follow me. First, a disclaimer. To follow this tutorial, you need to first get 100,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Place the box on the kitchen counter. Grab a sharp knife. Cut the tape on the right side, then on the left side. Flip over the box. Carefully cut the tape on each side of the tab. Then the tape above the tab. Now you can open the box. The inside is a letter from the CEO of YouTube. And the silver play button. So, it's my silver play button. And it's delicious, or whatever you call that. I got a message from my friend Henrik from the Bread Code.
Yo, Sune, good job on the 100k subscribers. You definitely earned that. Keep up the great, amazing content. You truly are enabling sourdough bakers all around the world to bake amazing bread. You're changing this world to a better place. And cheers to that. So, lesson learned, I use too much sugar for my homemade beer. Anyways, keep doing what you're doing. May the gluten be with you.
Let me just take this opportunity to thank everybody who supported my channel by watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. All my patrons on Patreon and all the members on my site. Everyone who's used the links that I put in my descriptions helps me build the channel, which I'm sure at some point will become a full-time job. Keep tagging me on Instagram, keep sending me emails with your bread. I love to see it all and see how you've become great bakers and how my videos have been part of getting you there. The last person I would like to thank is my girlfriend Maria, that has always been a huge support. Always watching the videos, always being honest with me about what works and what doesn't. Thank you. See you next time.